Hi everyone, my name is Rosemary and welcome to my very first weather report. My weather station is set up in a semi-rural neighborhood off of Chino Hot Springs Road, approximately in this area. I'm at 64.53 degrees north and 147.33 degrees west. I am on the crest of one of the hills to the northwest of Fairbanks. My weather station is set up in a mostly wooded area. However, there are some clearings where houses are, and there's also a couple of large pastures within about 3 miles of my weather station. So this is one pasture area. This is another one. And then off to here is actually where Gettinger's field is, which if any Fairbanksons know where that is, that's where a bunch of cows are raised. I'm northwest of Fairbanks. In relation to UAF, my weather station is east-northeast, so UAF would be just about right here. And a kind of interesting fact is the elevation at West Ridge up on UAF is about the exact same as the elevation where my weather station is. Fairbanks is located in interior Alaska. To the south would be the Tanana Flats and the Alaska Range where Denali is, and to the north is the Brooks Range. Today, 1/25/2015, at about 2:16 p.m. Standard Time is when I took all of my measurements. My location is Fairbanks, Alaska, 64 degrees north, 147 degrees west. For my indoor observation, my barometric pressure, uncalibrated, was 988.71 millibars and 29.8 inches of mercury. Once I calibrated my barometer, the measurements were 1,022.57 millibars and 30.2 inches of mercury, which matched what the National Weather Service said. My indoor temperature, according to my left digital thermometer, was 67.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 19.7 degrees Celsius. The right digital thermometer read 67.0, so a little bit cooler, degrees Fahrenheit and 19.4 degrees Celsius. I also have another thermometer in my house which read 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. About 10-15 minutes later, I went outside to take my outdoor observation. My left digital thermometer read minus 25.8 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 32.1 degrees Celsius. The right digital thermometer read the exact same. One interesting fact that I noticed is after 30 minutes of my probe sitting outside, the left and right readings were about 5 degrees apart. I then let them sit for an additional hour. Then when I went to go read them, I noticed that both the left and the right probes read the exact same, minus 28.5 degrees Fahrenheit. One reason that I think is that why this happened is because there was a drastic change between outside and inside, and I believe that my thermometer and the probes needed just a little bit more time to acclimate. The barometric pressure read the exact same as it did indoors, 1,022.57 millibars, or 30.2 inches of mercury. The wind, according to the Beaufort scale that we were given, I would have given that a 0. When I was standing outside, I could not feel the effect of wind on my face. I looked at the birch and willow trees just a little bit ways, and I couldn't see any effect of wind. There was also a neighbor's house about 100 meters away who had a fireplace, and I looked at the smoke coming from their chimney, and it was rising straight into the sky, which tells me that there's no wind activity. Although there was no snow falling at the time I was outside, just about 30 minutes earlier when I was setting up my weather station, I noticed that there was a very light snowfall. There were low clouds that were covering just the horizon, and the clouds were gray. Directly above, it was completely clear. I could actually see the moon. Normally, from where my weather station is set up, if I look, I can actually see about a couple hundred miles. However, today I could only see maybe a mile or two. Thank you for watching my weather report, and I will see you guys later.